Here's a quick story time. The year is 2018 and Dodge is bored. They create a car that has something in it that my grandmother can't pronounce. I'm talking about a Hellcat, 707 horsepower machine, an absolute machine. And they think to themselves, well, that's not enough. What should we do to make it faster? And bang, you got yourself a car that is purpose built to slash the drag race. And not only that, it is street legal. I'm talking about the one and only Dodge friggin' Demon. You're sitting at red light in your 2004 Honda Civic Si, and you're like, damn, I'm behind one beast, sitting behind the wheel of some next level power. And right next to you pulls up a car. And all you can see is two glowing red eyes. This is the fastest production vehicle to be created ever. It's absolutely bonkers how quick this thing can go. Don't believe me? Check this out. Well, you may be asking yourself, it's got 840 horsepower. How quick is it? I'm talking quarter-mile time in 9.65 seconds out of the 6.2 liter supercharged V8. 6.2 liter supercharged V8 producing 800 and something 40 horsepower, doing 9.65 second quarter mile at 140 miles an hour. That is friggin' quick. And not only is it quick, you get to do that all in style, because this girl here, she's wide. I'm talking Kim K, wide booty alert. That's right, she's a wide body and she's doing it in style. This is true American muscle. We like it bigger, the bigger the better. And now when you go to the interior, you want everybody to know, I got a Demon. You want to make sure everybody knows it. So guess what? We've got Demon everywhere. First, we got the badging. It tells you the exact number of production. This is number 3003. It's a lucky number. It's got 3 3s and 3 zeros. Not only that, the seats, they got Demon on them. Man, my grandmother don't like that, because in church, the Demon's bad. Here is the best part of this interior. You're driving around your Demon, telling everybody that you're the boss on the road and nobody's like you. Guess what? You've also got comfort and you've got style. I mean, these seats, they're pretty damn comfortable. Alcantara steering wheel, half suede, half leather interior. What more can you ask for? Now, when you fire this guy up, you probably can't hear it, but you've got the Demon logo, just to remind you, you're the boss on the road. But you've also got a little button right here. Once you hit that button, it turns you to the SRT page. Now, you've also got drag mode, which gives you more power, more suspension, and drag transmission. You wanna know even a better part? You go custom. When you go custom, that is when you can set it up and do it exactly how you want. You can activate the full horsepower. When you fire up your Demon, you get access with, you know, the Demon logo just to show off, you know, I'm driving my Demon around and nobody's cooler than me. But you also get something called the SRT page. All you do is you press that little SRT button and you can customize the vehicle how you want. In order to access the full horsepower, unfortunately, you do need racing fuel, 100 octane racing fuel, which comes in your crate. That's right. When you buy this car new, you pay $1 extra and you get something called a Demon crate, which gives you better tires, better fuel, a better chip, just everything you need to slay the drag strip and kill every single car on there, because nothing compares to this. And here's the thing, when you turn on your little SRT button, you're obviously greeted with your auto, which gives you street suspension, street performance, just stuff that you can drive on a daily. But if you press the drag button, the entire car activates. It's insane. First of all, the sound changes. You get yourself drag transmission, paddle shifters, drag, traction, suspension, steering. Everything creates this into a car, a beast like no other. You probably can't even hear me because this thing is damn loud. Now remember, the Demon was built for track purpose. I mean, this thing is slaying any vehicle that goes on the drag strip. So right here, you have slicks. I'm talking wheels that were specifically designed for the Demon. And you know how they're specifically designed for the Demon? Look at that. That's a Demon logo on the damn tire. That's crazy. And the real money is located right here. First of all, a fully functional hood scoop. You know what? In fact, this is the biggest hood scoop ever created on any, and I'm talking any, production vehicle ever yet. It's pretty insane. But not only that, look at this. This motor, first of all, you got the Demon logo. You have a factory cold air intake, and it's functional because the air that goes through the hood goes straight to there, gives you more power. Do you want more air? Well, guess what? You got it right here. There's a hole. My hand's not big enough, but it's completely functional. Air goes through that headlight, right into the motor. You know what more air means? More power. Now, quick FYI, for those who are seeing these plates, these aren't really real. I mean, this car has never actually been registered. In fact, the Demon crate that everybody loves is actually sitting at the plant in Chrysler. So yes, this here is just a plate for shows. And you know what it says? PC Demon, just so we can look pretty damn cool. But it's never been registered. The Dodge Demon is a vehicle like no other. I mean, no company ever created a car that will destroy any vehicle on the drag strip. And not only will it destroy it, it will do it in style. The Dodge Demon with 840 horsepower is an absolute machine. The team at SRT, they said, you know what? We're gonna do it all. We're gonna make the best thing ever, and nothing will compete like it. And that's how you got the Demon, a full vehicle in style that can do wheelies, a vehicle that can do wheelies from the factory. What more can you ask for? The Dodge Demon, we've got one at Peel Chrysler, one left, and it's unregistered. It's pretty cool. We're entertaining any offers. So if you want to get yourself your hands on a Demon that's never been registered, be the first owner of one, this is one right here with only 30 something kilometers. It's pretty insane. Come to Peel Chrysler, make us an offer, and don't forget one thing, nobody beats a deal from Peel.